In the heart of London, 1978, a groundbreaking idea began to take shape. Dr. Robert Edwards, a humble embryologist, and Dr. Patrick Steptoe, a pioneering gynecologist, shared a common vision to help childless couples conceive. Their goal was daunting. Traditional methods had failed countless women, and hope seemed elusive. Infertility was a stigma, a taboo subject that left families shattered and dreams unfulfilled. But Edwards and Steptoe were not deterred. They envisioned a future where science could conquer the mysteries of human reproduction. With tenacity and determination, they embarked on a journey that would change the course of history. In a sterile laboratory, under the cold glare of fluorescent lights, they began their work. They took eggs from women, fertilized them with sperm, and nurtured the resulting embryos in a nutrient-rich culture. This was in vitro fertilization, a process that would revolutionize the field of reproductive medicine. The first attempt was fraught with difficulties. The delicate embryo was too fragile to survive outside the womb. But Edwards and Steptoe refused to be disheartened. They tweaked their methods, refined their techniques, and pushed the boundaries of scientific knowledge. One day, a patient named Leslie Brown stepped forward. She had been trying to conceive for years, but her fallopian tubes were blocked. Desperate for a family, she agreed to be the guinea pig for this bold new procedure. On July 25, 1978, history was made. Under the watchful eyes of Edwards and Steptoe, an embryo was carefully transferred into Brown's womb. The world held its breath as the days passed, waiting for a sign of life. 2 weeks later, a simple pregnancy test confirmed the miracle. Leslie Brown was pregnant, the first woman in the world to conceive through in vitro fertilization. Overjoyed, she gave birth to a healthy baby girl named Louise on March 25, 1980. The news spread like wildfire. In vitro fertilization was no longer just a dream, it was a reality. Couples who had given up hope found a new lease on life. The world had taken a giant leap forward, proving that science could indeed conquer the mysteries of human reproduction. Today, in vitro fertilization is a common procedure that has brought the joy of parenthood to millions of people. But we must never forget the courage and determination of Dr. Robert Edwards and Dr. Patrick Steptoe, who dared to dream, dared to innovate, and dared to change the world.